tornado warning for Knox, East Central Morrow, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:25 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 6 miles northwest of Fredericktown, or 12 miles east of Mount Gilead, and moving east at 35 miles an hour. In addition, there is another tornadic storm near Martinsburg, moving east at 35 miles an hour. The storm will be moving north of Bladensburg in eastern Knox County. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Fredericktown, Gambier, Danville, North Liberty, Amity, Martinsburg, Ginn, and Bladensburg. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or closet.